Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'll be unboxing the Seagate 1TB FireCuda gaming SSD. This is an external SSD from Seagate. It provides 2000 megabits read and write speed. So you can go ahead and pause this video to see the compatibility and performances. This includes a M.2 NVMe SSD and it has RGB LEDs on the drive itself. It's actually pretty heavy for how small it is. So right there is where the LEDs are. And if we actually flip it around the other way, again, this is where the LEDs light up red or whatever color you want. And then you have the connection port right there. And that is a USB 3.2 2x2. So it provides up to 20 gigabits of transfer speed, and then they give you also a nice fast USB Type-C cable right there. This altogether is the Seagate FireCuda gaming SSD 1TB. They have different sizes as well. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.